Hello everyone, welcome back to Blissy Malus. Today we are going to install track auto close and open mirror module for Toyota Hilux. See our videos for installing dash cams and other things. Please subscribe and support us. Okay, so before buying this product or before installing it, make sure that you have this button which actually opens and closes the mirror. So make sure that this is functioning properly without any issues. If this is not working or if this button is not available, this module won't work with the model. So make sure that this is working first. Okay, the first step is, okay, this is the driver side door. So first make sure that the glass is completely open, and then we have to remove the tutor. So let's do that now. Okay, so the tutor should come out, and you can see these two clips were there what actually sticking there. Now remove this. So if you see there is a small clip here, just press this one and then pull the just press this clip here and then pull the cable out. So actually it just came out full, so we can just remove that way because it's just on the clips here, so we can just remove that way as well. Okay, so now we removed the tutor. Next thing is to remove the armrest. So we are going to remove the armrest now. Lift this from downwards. You can see the white clip over here that I showed you before. Okay, so if you keep it like this and just push inward, then you can actually, I'm not sure whether you can actually remove from this hole. Okay, just remove this armrest. Okay, so next we need to remove this window switch panel. Okay, let's do that. Here if you see there's a clip here, just press that and then pull out. The same way here, there's a clip here, just press the clip and then pull out. Okay, so this is now removed. So next thing is that we need to actually remove the complete whole panel here. So we need to remove all the screws here. One screw is below this one, so we need to remove this panel here. Then we'll get access to the screw here, and then we'll remove the complete door side panel. Okay, so we have to remove this. Just insert here, and then just take it out. Okay, now you can see the screw over there, so we have to remove the screw as well. Okay, so we have one screw over here, second and third, so we have to remove all the screws and then we can remove the panel. Okay, so the bit is unscrewed now. Now we are going to remove this complete panel. So just pull it from down first. then lift little bit up. So now this is completely come out. Now you can see here two that lock handles that we need to remove. So first remove that from the holder here, and then you can just twist it and remove it. Okay, so that should come out. Then there is a clip here, so press this one and remove that as well. So now the panel is completely out. Okay, so now we completely remove the panel. So next thing is to connect the harness that's provided by the track system. So one is here, we have to access this connector over here, and the second one over here. So we have to just remove the plastic in this area, also in this area, to get access to the clip connector here. Remove the sealing here, we have to remove this clip and insert the wire, that harness that is given by the track. So there's a clip here, just press the clip here and then just pull the cable out. Okay, should be as simple as this. Okay, so this is how it is. Now if you see there are a lot of harness here, so just see which one is matching to that, and then just connect that one there. So this is the one which is matching there, so just insert this one over there. Okay, so that's done, and this end goes back to this clip over here. Okay, so it's like this. So I'm just putting a small cable through this one, so we can take all the cables inside the panel. So I'm just putting that one, and I will pull the cable through this before I connect here. Okay, so the cable is here now. You just okay, so we connect everything, then put everything back inside. Okay, and make sure that you seal it properly. Okay, so see, this side is done. Now the cable is coming through this one here. Now so once this side is done, we have to remove the same this side. So remove the plastic cover from here and then access this one. So we'll put the pin through this one here, as we did for the other side. So these are the pins that's going there. So we'll just insert this through inside, and then we'll insert to the connector here. particular connector here, and then this one goes to the switch. These two goes to the switch. This goes to the controller, the controller here, track controller. So as per the manufacturer instructions, it should not be inside the plastic. It should be outside below here. So we are just going to connect and hang it over here, and then we'll put it back everything together. Okay, so the control is plugged in, connected. So as I mentioned, these two goes to the door control, all of these. So now everything is okay. So we will just now put everything back. So I'm going to just stick one here below the armrest. Hope there should be enough access there. Just sticking that one there together. Now all these cables should come through these two here. This is connected to this one over here. Now we are going to put everything back. So the thing is that you need to connect these two. So when you connect, first insert on this hole here, and then pull it, and then insert through the hole over there. The same way here, first insert through this cut here, and then to the hole over here. And now we'll put everything back. So to make sure that first you come from the top, insert in the gap first there, and then before you put everything back, make sure you are able to access all the connectors here. If you are not able to access, then make sure it is coming through the holes here. Okay, so these two should come over here. Okay, so should be fine. Maybe if you want, you can just first try everything, and then you can fix it back. So I'm just putting now. So now the panels are back. Now I'll just insert this and test it. So this one goes, so this goes like this. So this goes over here, and this one goes over here. Okay, it goes like this. So let's test this before we assemble everything back. Now we are going to test this before I assemble full. So I'm just pressing the lock button, and you can see the mirrors are folding, and then unlock, the mirrors are unfolding it. Okay, so that works perfectly. So now we'll just assemble everything back, and then close this. Actually we tried everything, so all controls works as expected. Everything is good. So we are now putting back everything. The final part is the tutor. So this actually came out, so I'll just fix this first and then insert in there. Okay, that goes inside there, and then here. everything is just a press. So everything is done now. Now the final testing. Close this, lock it, and then unlock. Okay, perfect, everything is working. Okay, so that's all for today. Please subscribe and support us. Thank you.